What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. Today we have another overpriced piece of tech. We have the Galaxy S22 Ultra here. I did tease this in one of my older videos that we are going to get an S22 Ultra in-house. But yeah, we got the phone. Let's get straight into it. Obviously they don't have a charger in the box because of this thin design. But yeah. Alright, as you can see, I got that burgundy color, basically the Mystic Bronze, from what we had a couple years ago with the Note 22 Ultra. Sorry, not Note 22, Note 20 Ultra. But yeah, moment of truth. Okay, of course they show us the front of the phone first. Okay, so obviously we have the phone at the top. Damn, okay, that actually looks pretty good. Alright, we're gonna peel this plastic off. Okay. Yeah, we got the phone. We'll put that on the side for now. Let's see what else is in the box. Not much, I'm guessing. In here, paperwork. We get a cable. Okay, USB to C cable. That's nice to see. Start guide and more papers. We're not gonna go through that. Anyway, yep, that's the end of the box. Put this all back in and check out the actual phone. Okay, I'm gonna take this sticker off. Damn, the phone actually looks good. You know, to be honest, I wasn't a fan of the design when I saw them in like the trailers and stuff. But now that I'm looking at it, it actually looks good. Wait, let me take out the pen. Okay, so we do have the S Pen inside the phone, of course. But one thing I am disappointed by, it's not the same color as the actual phone. But, I mean, yeah, at least we have it in the S series phone. But, yeah, okay, the burgundy color actually looks pretty good. There you guys have it, a first look. Of course, we do have the camera lenses. Does look pretty similar to last year's S21, but with the boxy design. But yeah. Let me get this phone set up and I'll show you guys what it's like when it's all set up and everything. So, I got the phone set up and I'm gonna be honest, you guys already know I've been using the iPhone 13 Pro for a couple of months now, and that's been my main phone, and this feels huge in the hand, like even compared to my face and everything. This is huge. But what I can say is this phone feels great in the hand, except for like first impressions, obviously digging inside your hand, like the corner of that part. Cameras are actually phenomenal. Like, I'm scared that this is gonna be better than my iPhone 13 Pro. Design also, I actually really like the burgundy color, as you guys can see. And yeah, make sure to subscribe down below if you do guys want to see the full review of this phone. And I'm gonna be honest, it's gonna be fun to review this thing. This has a lot of power, a lot of features I want to test out. It also brought back the S Pen because the the S22 Ultra, yeah, they're basically the same thing now, boxy design, all of this. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you do want to see that. And with that said, me and this Note 22 Ultra, S22 Ultra, we'll see you guys in a bit. Make sure to subscribe though, a lot of content coming up. Peace.